Pero yung unang kanina pinakita ko, it's coming from the voice of our customers. Meaning, yung pupuntahan ng mga tinitraining natin, pupuntahan ng mga estudyante po natin, which are the industry, the companies. So doon siya merong collaboration. Even with TESDA, we're trying to work with TESDA to create the guidelines on how to incorporate PSF in the development of TRs, if familiar with the term, training regulations, CS, or how to incorporate the PSF when you're applying for event status. Kasi ibang template na naman po yun, di ba? I see some heads nodding. Kasi di ba ganun ang ginagawa? You are incorporating some of those NC courses or CS courses as part of your school offering. And that's where we can also guide you how to work with all those at the same time incorporating PSF. Why? Minsan may lumalabas na gap. So yun ngayon yung opportunity nyo to fill in those gaps na, oh, wala dun sa TR, wala dun sa CS, pero sabi ng industriya, kailangan nila to. So that's an opportunity for electives, for additional topics, or partial notes of full learning cycling out for any semester ng students. So again, it's PSF is offering this as an opportunity to put those things together. It may not be the magic pill or the silver bullet for that, but at least you're not starting from scratch. And lastly, the pride of us as experts, diba? Siyempre, all those years of, let's say, you're a physicist, a master of this, etc. We're not throwing that away. But at least, like tanong ko kanina, if I tell you, let's talk about analytics or data management, anong ibibigay at ituturo ninyo sa student? And you incorporate Bloom's taxonomy. Is it always the same or you're mixing different proficiencies? If we're giving you a checklist to now assess what you know to what you will teach, ito pala. Pag ganito ang proficiency level, ito yung mostly topics. Yes, no. Diba? It's still actually
Yes, sir. Very concrete na lang din. Some updates. Since I don't know why I'm involved in Devil Ched and Tesla. Thank you. Ched, we're reviewing the draft. There are drafts already for ITCS, and there was mention in the draft, if you see the draft, there's mention that they used the PSF. Kasi when we reviewed it, it was kind of like a token mention. Pero nung binusisi namin how you did it, hindi namin nakita, that's why we're kind of putting it on hold. We're going to review that further. The gist what's going to happen is that there's going to be mga general courses, but there's going to be a lot more flexibility and agility na mas marami tayong pwedeng mix and match to really address yung mga lalabas pa ng mga bagong subjects. So the goal is to not really just sure when it's going to happen, but it's going to be this year para may labas na natin yung tatlo na updated CMO and PSG. TESDA, I can only speak for analytics and AI. The 7 competency standards that we have released in TESDA. Just go to the TESDA website, go to Ministry of Competency Standards, search for data, search for machine learning, doon po lalabas yung 7 competency standards. That was already based on the skills framework, and all of the succeeding ones, we kind of tested already on how to use the PSF to create the competency standards. Lastly, for experts here, they were able to show some technical